Section 1. Components of environment and living organisms. Q1, Q15. Q1. Select the correct word. Plants, animals, and microorganisms together constitute the underscore components of an ecosystem. A. Biotic. B. Abiotic. C. Physical. D. Non-living. Answer. A. Biotic. Similar word. Living. Biotic factors include all living organisms within an environment that interact with one another. Plants, animals, and microorganisms together constitute the biotic components of an ecosystem. Q2. Select the correct word. Air, water, soil, and sunlight are examples of underscore factors in a habitat. A. Abiotic. B. Biotic. C. Organic. D. Biological. Answer. A. Abiotic. Similar word. Non-living. Abiotic components refer to the non-living physical and chemical elements in the environment. Air, water, soil, and sunlight are examples of abiotic factors in a habitat. Q3. Select the correct word. The natural place where an organism lives, feeds, and reproduces is called its underscore. A. Habitat. B. Custom. C. Region. D. Shelter. Answer. A. Habitat. Similar word. Dwelling. A habitat provides food, water, shelter, and suitable conditions for a plant or animal to survive. The natural place where an organism lives, feeds, and reproduces is called its habitat. Q4. Select the correct word. Plants and animals that live on land inhabit underscore habitats. A. Terrestrial. B. Aquatic. C. Marine. D. Aerial. Answer. A. Terrestrial. Similar word. Land-based. Terrestrial habitats encompass forests, grasslands, deserts, and mountain regions. Plants and animals that live on land inhabit terrestrial habitats. Q5. Select the correct word. Organisms like fish, water lilies, and frogs live in underscore habitats. A. Aquatic. B. Terrestrial. C. Aerial. D. Desert. Answer. A. Aquatic. Similar word. Water-based. Aquatic habitats include freshwater bodies like rivers and ponds, as well as marine environments like oceans. Organisms like fish, water lilies, and frogs live in aquatic habitats. Q6. Select the correct word. Plants prepare their own food using sunlight through a process called underscore. A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Transpiration. D. Germination. Answer. A. Photosynthesis. Similar word. Food making. Photosynthesis allows green plants to convert light energy, carbon dioxide, and water into food. Plants prepare their own food using sunlight through a process called photosynthesis. Q7. Select the correct word. Animals that eat only plants or plant products are classified as underscore. A. Herbivores. B. Carnivores. C. Omnivores. D. Decomposers. Answer. A. Herbivores. Similar word. Plant eaters. Herbivores like cows, deer, and elephants rely entirely on plant vegetation for nutrition. Animals that eat only plants or plant products are classified as herbivores. Q8. Select the correct word. Lions and tigers are examples of underscore because they feed on other animals. A. Carnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Omnivores. D. Autotrophs. Answer. A. Carnivores. Similar word. Meat eaters. Carnivores obtain nutrients by hunting or consuming the flesh of other animals. Lions and tigers are examples of carnivores because they feed on other animals. Q9. Select the correct word. Human beings and bears consume both plants and animals, making them underscore. A. Omnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Carnivores. D. Autotrophs. Answer. A. Omnivores. Similar word. All eaters. Omnivores have a varied diet consisting of both plant-based food and animal flesh. Human beings and bears consume both plants and animals, making them omnivores. Q10. Select the correct word. Green plants are called underscore because they produce their own nourishment. A. Autotrophs. B. Heterotrophs. C. Decomposers. D. Scavengers. Answer. A. Autotrophs. Similar word, producers. Autotrophs are self-feeding organisms that build organic materials from simple inorganic substances. Green plants are called autotrophs because they produce their own nourishment. Q11. Select the correct word. Organisms that depend on other living things for food are known as underscore. A. Heterotrophs. B. Autotrophs. C. Producers. D. Synthesizers. Answer. A. Heterotrophs. Similar word, consumers. Heterotrophs cannot produce their own food and must consume other plants or animals. Organisms that depend on other living things for food are known as heterotrophs. Q12. Select the correct word. Fungi and bacteria that break down dead organic matter are called underscore. A. Decomposers. B. Autotrophs. C. Herbivores. D. Producers. Answer. A. Decomposers. Similar word, recyclers. Decomposers return nutrients back into the soil by consuming decaying organic matter. Fungi and bacteria that break down dead organic matter are called decomposers. Q13. Select the correct word. The release of excess water in the form of vapor through plant leaves is known as underscore. A. Transpiration. B. Respiration. C. Absorption. D. Excretion. Answer. A. Transpiration. Similar word, evaporation. Transpiration helps plants pull water up from their roots and cools the surrounding air. The release of excess water in the form of vapor through plant leaves is known as transpiration. Q14. Select the correct word. All living organisms undergo underscore to release energy from food. A. Respiration. B. Transpiration. C. Excretion. D. Circulation. Answer. A. Respiration. Similar word, breathing process. Respiration breaks down nutrients inside cells using oxygen to supply energy for life activities. All living organisms undergo respiration to release energy from food. Q15. Select the correct word. The removal of harmful waste products formed inside living bodies is called underscore. A. Excretion. B. Digestion. C. Absorption. D. Respiration. Answer. A. Excretion. Similar word, waste removal. Excretion is vital to keep biological systems clean from accumulated toxic wastes. The removal of harmful waste products formed inside living bodies is called excretion. Section 2. Plant structure and adaptations. Q16 Q30. Q16. Select the correct word. Roots anchor the plant firmly in the soil and underscore water and minerals. A. Absorb. B. Produce. C. Store. D. Evaporate. Answer. A. Absorb. Similar word, soak up. Roots uptake moisture and inorganic nutrients essential for growth from the ground. Roots anchor the plant firmly in the soil and absorb water and minerals. Q17. Select the correct word. Plants with fibrous root systems usually have leaves with underscore venation. A. Parallel. B. Reticulate. C. Cross. D. Circular. Answer. A. Parallel. Similar word, straight-lined. In parallel venation, veins run side by side along the length of the leaf blade. Plants with fibrous root systems usually have leaves with parallel venation. Q18. Select the correct word. A single main thick root that grows straight down into the soil is called a underscore root. A. Tap. B. Fibrous. C. Lateral. D. Secondary. Answer. A. Tap. Similar word, primary. Taproots feature one strong central root with smaller lateral roots growing sideways. A single main thick root that grows straight down into the soil is called a taproot. Q19. Select the correct word. Leaves with net-like design of veins exhibit underscore venation. A. Reticulate. B. Parallel. C. Linear. D. Segmented. Answer A. Reticulate. Similar word, net patterned. Reticulate venation forms a branched network across the leaf surface. Leaves with net-like design of veins exhibit reticulate venation. Q20. Select the correct word. Desert plants like cacti modified their leaves into underscore to prevent water loss. A. Spines. B. Flowers. C. Tendrils. D. Branches. Answer A. Spines. Similar word, thorns. Spines decrease surface area, suppressing water evaporation in harsh arid environments. Desert plants like cacti modified their leaves into spines to prevent water loss. Q21. Select the correct word. The flat green part of a leaf responsible for catching sunlight is called the leaf underscore. A. Lamina. B. Petiole. C. Stem. D. Midrib. Answer A. Lamina. Similar word, blade. The leaf lamina houses chloroplasts where light is trapped to drive food production. The flat green part of a leaf responsible for catching sunlight is called the leaf lamina. Q22. Select the correct word. The stalk that connects the leaf blade to the plant stem is known as the underscore. A. Petiole. B. Midrib. C. Vein. D. Root. Answer A. Petiole. Similar word, leaf stalk. The petiole holds the lamina outward so it gets maximum exposure to sunlight. The stalk that connects the leaf blade to the plant stem is known as the petiole. Q23. Select the correct word. Tiny pores present on the surface of leaves through which gases are exchanged are called underscore. A. Stomata. B. Cells. C. Pores. D. Roots. Answer A. Stomata. Similar word, micro-openings. Stomata open and shut to let carbon dioxide in and oxygen out during photosynthesis. Tiny pores present on the surface of leaves through which gases are exchanged are called stomata. Q24. Select the correct word. Plants that have weak stems and take support on neighboring structures to climb up are called underscore. A. Climbers. B. Creepers. C. Shrubs. D. Herbs. Answer A. Climbers. Similar word, vine plants. Climbers use specialized structures like tendrils to latch onto trees or fences. Plants that have weak stems and take support on neighboring structures to climb up are called climbers. Q25. Select the correct word. Weak-stemmed plants that spread across the ground surface are known as underscore. A. Creepers. B. Climbers. C. Trees. D. Shrubs. Answer A. Creepers. Similar word, ground runners. Creepers like pumpkins and watermelons grow horizontally along the soil surface. Weak-stemmed plants that spread across the ground surface are known as creepers. Q26. Select the correct word. Small plants with green, soft and tender stems are classified as underscore. A. Herbs. B. Shrubs. C. Trees. D. Climbers. Answer A. Herbs. Similar word, tender plants. Herbs are generally short plants without woody trunks, such as mustard and coriander. Small plants with green, soft and tender stems are classified as herbs. Q27. Select the correct word. Medium-sized plants with hard woody stems branching out near the ground base are called underscore. A. Shrubs. B. Herbs. C. Trees. D. Creepers. Answer A. Shrubs. Similar word, bushes. Shrubs like rose and lemon plants have multiple woody stems originating close to the soil. Medium-sized plants with hard woody stems branching out near the ground base are called shrubs. Q28. Select the correct word. Tall plants featuring a single main thick woody trunk are called underscore. A. Trees. B. Herbs. C. Shrubs. D. Climbers. Answer A. Trees. Similar word, timber plants. Trees like mango and neem develop a strong central trunk that branches high above the ground. Tall plants featuring a single main thick woody trunk are called trees. Q29. Select the correct word. The bright and colorful ring of leaf-like parts in a flower designed to attract insects is made of underscore A. Petals, B. Sepals, C. Stamens, D. Pistils. Answer A. Petals. Similar word, corolla leaves. Petals attract pollinators like bees and butterflies through vibrant hues and scents. The bright and colorful ring of leaf-like parts in a flower designed to attract insects is made of petals. Q30. Select the correct word. The outer green leaf-like structures that protect a flower bud before it opens are called underscore A. Sepals, B. Petals, C. Stamens, D. Carpels. Answer A. Sepals. Similar word, bud covers. Sepals enclose and guard developing floral parts during the bud stage. The outer green leaf-like structures that protect a flower bud before it opens are called sepals. Section 3. Animal Adaptations and Classification. Q31 Q45. Q31. Select the correct word. Special characteristics that enable an organism to survive in its environment are called underscore A. Adaptations, B. Habits, C. Mutations, D. Variations. Answer A. Adaptations. Similar word, adjustments. Adaptations can be structural or behavioral traits developed over generations to thrive. Special characteristics that enable an organism to survive in its environment are called adaptations. Q32. Select the correct word. Fish possess a spindle-shaped body known as a underscore body, which reduces resistance while swimming. A. Streamlined, B. Flat, C. Spherical, D. Rectangular. Answer A. Streamlined. Similar word, tapered. A streamlined shape allows aquatic animals to glide through water smoothly. Fish possess a spindle-shaped body known as a streamlined body, which reduces resistance while swimming. Q33. Select the correct word. Fish absorb oxygen dissolved in water using specialized respiratory organs called underscore A. Gills, B. Lungs, C. Spiracles, D. Skin. Answer A. Gills. Similar word, water lungs. Gills extract dissolved gas from water as it passes over vascular membranes. Fish absorb oxygen dissolved in water using specialized respiratory organs called gills. Q34. Select the correct word. Camels store fat in their underscore to survive long periods without food in deserts. A. Humps, B. Stomachs, C. Hooves, D. Legs. Answer A. Humps. Similar word, fat mounds. Fat stored in humps breaks down into energy and water when food sources are unavailable. Camels store fat in their humps to survive long periods without food in deserts. Q35. Select the correct word. Frogs have webbed feet and moist skin, allowing them to live both on land and in water as underscore A. Amphibians, B. Reptiles, C. Mammals, D. Aquatic. Answer A. Amphibians. Similar word, dual lives. Amphibians undergo life cycle transitions operating in both water and land environments. Frogs have webbed feet and moist skin, allowing them to live both on land and in water as amphibians. Q36. Select the correct word. Animals that possess a backbone or vertebral column are classified as underscore A. Vertebrates, B. Invertebrates, C. Insects, D. Microbes. Answer A. Vertebrates. Similar word, backboned creatures. Vertebrates include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Animals that possess a backbone or vertebral column are classified as vertebrates. Q37. Select the correct word. Animals like earthworms, snails, and insects lack an internal spine and are termed underscore A. Invertebrates, B. Vertebrates, C. Mammals, D. Amphibians. Answer A. Invertebrates. Similar word, spineless creatures. Invertebrates form the vast majority of animal species on Earth. Animals like earthworms, snails, and insects lack an internal spine and are termed invertebrates. Q38. Select the correct word. Mountain goats have strong underscore to help them climb steep and rocky slopes easily. A. Hooves. B. Claws. C. Paws. D. Nails. Answer. A. Hooves. Similar word, foot pads. Hard hooves provide traction and stability on uneven mountain terrain. Mountain goats have strong hooves to help them climb steep and rocky slopes easily. Q39. Select the correct word. Polar bears possess a thick layer of fat called underscore under their skin to keep them warm. A. Blubber. B. Muscle. C. Fur. D. Scale. Answer. A. Blubber. Similar word, insulation fat. Blubber insulates Arctic animals against extreme sub-zero temperatures. Polar bears possess a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin to keep them warm. Q40. Select the correct word. Birds have hollow bones filled with air spaces known as underscore bones to aid in flight. A. Pneumatic. B. Solid. C. Heavy. D. Calcified. Answer. A. Pneumatic. Similar word, hollow. Pneumatic bones reduce body weight without sacrificing structural strength needed for flying. Birds have hollow bones filled with air spaces known as pneumatic bones to aid in flight. Q41. Select the correct word. The process by which an organism gives rise to young ones of its own kind is underscore. A. Reproduction. B. Digestion. C. Circulation. D. Adaptation. Answer. A. Reproduction. Similar word, offspring production. Reproduction ensures the continuity of a species generation after generation. The process by which an organism gives rise to young ones of its own kind is reproduction. Q42. Select the correct word. Lions are predators that use their tan color as underscore to hide in dry grasslands. A. Camouflage. B. Warning. C. Protection. D. Signaling. Answer. A. Camouflage. Similar word, disguise. Camouflage helps animals blend into surrounding habitats to evade enemies or stalk prey. Lions are predators that use their tan color as camouflage to hide in dry grasslands. Q43. Select the correct word. Animals that give birth to live young ones and produce milk for them are called underscore. A. Mammals. B. Reptiles. C. Birds. D. Amphibians. Answer. A. Mammals. Similar word, milk feeders. Mammals feature body hair, milk glands, and warm-blooded metabolic systems. Animals that give birth to live young ones and produce milk for them are called mammals. Q44. Select the correct word. Animals that lay eggs to produce offspring are referred to as underscore animals. A. Oviparous. B. Viviparous. C. Carnivorous. D. Herbivorous. Answer. A. Oviparous. Similar word, egg layers. Birds, reptiles, and insects are classic examples of oviparous organisms. Animals that lay eggs to produce offspring are referred to as oviparous animals. Q45. Select the correct word. Changes in our surroundings that elicit a reaction from living organisms are called underscore. A. Stimuli. B. Responses. C. Habits. D. Impulses. Answer. A. Stimuli. Similar word, triggers. A stimulus can be heat, light, sound, or touch that prompts a biological reaction. Changes in our surroundings that elicit a reaction from living organisms are called stimuli. Section 4. Biodiversity and environmental interactions. Q46, Q50. Q46. Select the correct word. The rich variety of plant and animal species living on Earth is called underscore. A. Biodiversity. B. Ecosystem. C. Biosphere. D. Population. Answer. A. Biodiversity. Similar word, biological variety. Biodiversity includes all life variations across genetic, species, and habitat levels. The rich variety of plant and animal species living on Earth is called biodiversity. Q47. Select the correct word. A chain showing how energy flows from one living organism to another through food is a underscore. A. Food chain. B. Life cycle. C. Energy system. D. Growth cycle. Answer A. Food chain. Similar word, feeding sequence. Food chains illustrate producer to consumer feeding steps within ecosystems. A chain showing how energy flows from one living organism to another through food is a food chain. Q48. Select the correct word. Ponds, lakes and rivers contain underscore water, unlike salty oceans. A. Fresh. B. Marine. C. Brackish. D. Saline. Answer A. Fresh. Similar word sweet. Freshwater habitats feature low salt concentrations suitable for land-adjacent species. Ponds, lakes and rivers contain fresh water, unlike salty oceans. Q49. Select the correct word. Oceans and seas form the largest underscore habitats on Earth. A. Marine. B. Terrestrial. C. Freshwater. D. Forest. Answer A. Marine. Similar word. Saltwater. Marine habitats cover around 70% of the Earth's surface area. Oceans and seas form the largest marine habitats on Earth. Q50. Select the correct word. The tiny micro-size organisms invisible to the naked eye are classified as underscore. A. Microorganisms. B. Vertebrates. C. Mammals. D. Plants. Answer A. Microorganisms. Similar word, microbes. Microorganisms include bacteria, protozoa, and microscopic algae seen only via microscopes. The tiny micro-size organisms invisible to the naked eye are classified as microorganisms.
If you love these creations, please follow and subscribe to the channel.